Congratulations on your brand new hot tub purchase. I'm Norman from Unique Pools, Spas, and Billiards, and I'm here to give you your introduction to your chemicals. We use the particular system called the Nature's Pure. There are hundreds of different variations of spa chemicals and floaters, hydrogen peroxide based system, biguanides, bromine, chlorine. We went with the most chemically engineered system. It took 40 years for them to develop this system. It's a 4-step process. You have 4 different parts, and I'm going to go through each one of them with you today and kind of explain what each one of them does. And by the time we're done, you're going to be an expert at this. It's the simplest, easy system to use, and really the benefit of it is that what it's designed to do is to protect all the components inside the hot tub. It's also designed to make it a really easy experience for somebody who's just starting out, never had a hot tub, to somebody that's had one for 40 years. So step 1 is your sanitizer. And what you do with this is once a week you're going to put in 2 liberal capfuls. If the spa is a little bit on the crazy larger side, we're going to throw in a 3rd large capful. What that does is sanitizes your water. So it's going to kill all the bacteria in there, leaves a residual. And then your second step of the system is your oxidizing shock. That's what's going to burn off all the waste and things that the sanitizer produces. Now, the best and one of the most key components is our step number 3. It's the natural mineral stick. It uses natural minerals of silver, copper to sanitize the water, and it allows you to use 50% less chemicals using this system. And one of my favorite, which is called the Spa Energizer, this is the synergy. This is what brings all of these components together. It's going to help stabilize your pH. So the number one thing that happens in hot tubs, why your plumbing degrades, why your heater degrades, things like that, is your pH is out of whack. You should always have your pH between 7.2 and 7.8. You want to have your calcium hardness between 200 and 350, some say 400 parts per million, and you want to have your alkalinity between 80 and 120. But by the way, when the water comes out and you're testing it from the city, things like that, as long as you have, depending on every municipality and city water and everything's different, but when you're hitting it with your test strip, you're going to look and you're going to see right when it comes out of the faucet, 90% of the time it's balanced. Once you put this dose in from your Spa Energizer, it's going to help keep it locked in. You're not going to have these crazy swings. You're not going to go out there once a week and put half a bottle of stuff in there. It's going to help lock in your pH to really get it dialed in so you're not going to have these crazy fluctuations. So, with your sanitizer and oxidizer, you're going to put in 2 liberal capfuls of each one of these once a week. You're going to lift your cover off the hot tub. You're going to put the chemicals in first and then put your first pump on low speed to help circulate it. And you want to let that go in a full circ. So that's a full approximately 20 minutes of letting it burn off anything in the chemicals and all that good stuff. And then you're also going to want to put in 2 to 4 liberal capfuls of the Spa Energizer, 4 if it's a larger spa, once a week as well. And you're going to replace your Spa Energizer once every 4 months, which is awesome. And in the end, it will literally double the life of your headrests. You're not going to have this chemical burn on the bottom of your cover. You're not going to have the issue with all your jets delaminating. You're not going to have any of those problems by using this. That is why we went with this system. It is easiest and the best system out there. And always remember, keep your pH balance like we talked about. That's really simple. If you do need an adjustment on your pH, your alkalinity, or your calcium hardness, there are increasers and decreasers to do that, and we're only a step away. Download our app, make sure you have that. If you have any questions, call us, text us. We're here 7 days a week to help you. We just want to make this the most easy and amazing experience for you. Well, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and you enjoy your hot tub.